Hi there. Hopefully by the time you see this video you'll have watched my previous video in Paragominas where after some searching around, I managed to find two portable receivers that could be tuned digitally, and this was the smaller of the two, Midi Japan. I think that's probably more of a marketing ploy than anything else. I'm sure it's not made in Japan, I'm sure it's made in China. It's actually very small, it's minute. Well, there you go, I'll put my hand to scale it. You can see how small it is. It really is very small, much smaller than my Eaton satellite, for example. It's probably actually about as big as my Sony ICF SW100 overall, about as big as that, so it really is quite small. It cost 79 Rai, which is, I don't know, 15 quid, 17, I can't really work it out very accurately in my head, but not much, less than £20. I'm not sure whether I got a good deal, because a radio like this, I reckon you could buy that in the UK in a supermarket, something similar, for 10 quid, I don't know. But anyway, comes complete with a little case, leatherette we would call that, pair of earbuds, headphones, an instruction manual, and that's it. But you don't expect much at this sort of pricing level. There's 7 shortwave bands. It tunes up from about 6 megahertz up to about 18 megahertz in these selectable bands that you can see there. I've got it clipped. There's no external antenna sockets. I've got it clipped to the fence here that's supposed to be protecting us from the jungle. And I've got it tuned to Radio Havana, Cuba. There you go. Right on cue, MOD. So, even with the telescopic, we're going to extend the telescopic fully and see what we get. Hang on a second. Okay. Right, so we've got a signal. So there is actually a signal on the telescopic from Cuba, but the quality of it isn't great, but it's actually not that bad either. And what's interesting is that although it's digitally tunable, when you turn the tuning wheel, it feels like an analog tuning system. It's not. It's got like it feels like there's a tension. You can imagine that there's a cable in there or a piece of elastic or something. Although it has a digital display, and it only reads to down to sort of 10 kilohertz. So it's a bit touch and go as to what you're actually listening to in the crowded part of the band. Here it's pretty straightforward, but yeah, on a crowded broadcast band, you're going to struggle a little bit. But overall, yeah, it's not too bad. It's certainly usable. It's all very straightforward. There's a tuning wheel, on-off switch, which is actually a bit dodgy. It's you have to give it a little bit of oomph to switch the thing off. It's got a little stand at the back, as you might expect, on a portable shortwave radio, which was a bit of a surprise. And then there's a DC 3-volt socket, and then there's a socket for the earphones. And that's basically it. So yeah, it's probably a waste of money because I'm not really going to use this. But you know, when you're on holiday, you do this sort of thing. Although having said that, I'm not really on holiday. I'm working, but that is a very large amp for those of us who live in Britain aren't used to such things. So yeah, so there you go, there's Havana. I'm just going to turn the volume up so that we can hear further down. I was wondering whether I could hear in Confidencia in 15190. Is there anything there? Oh yeah, there is a weak signal. Yeah. So there you go. Very weak. There is a signal there. So there you go. my little experiment. What I might do actually is I might take it out one evening and attach a sort of longer piece of wire to it. Maybe take it out with my Eaton and test it at night and see what it can do. But yeah, there you go. So I couldn't help myself. That's my second radio acquisition since I got here, as my friend very kindly gave me his vintage ICF SW 7600G, which I'm very grateful for because I used to own one and I stupidly sold mine on eBay about 10 years ago. So there you go. This is where I am right now, up against the fence, protecting us from the wildlife. And it does actually make a half decent antenna. Let's see if we can hear anything else. It's not a bad receiver. I think it's, from a sensitivity point of view, not bad at all. It's just from a selectivity point of view, it's a bit of a nightmare. It's quite difficult to tune because it does have the tone resistance of function when you're trying to tune it, but perfectly usable. Well, I hope you found that interesting. Like I said, I might give it a further test at night with a longer, or with a long wire antenna. Let's see. Okay, well, thanks for watching and goodbye from the jungle. Ciao.